Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got another package here from my friends over at VEVOR. VEVOR makes some great stuff. It takes me like an hour and a half just to choose what I want to get. Tens of thousands of items, all commercial, industrial, residential, anything you need, they have it, and at good prices too. I've done about 10 or 12 different things from VEVOR recently, and I just love their products. As you know, I recently put on some crossbars on the SKETCHY Ford F-150. This pickup truck doesn't come with side rails, so to install the cargo basket carrier rack on the top of a F-150, you need roof racks. So I bought a set of crossbars. I got the universal kind for only like 60 bucks. The ones from Ford are like $400, so I'm not gonna spend that. But I always thought that the roof carrier basket rack looked great on pickup trucks. VEVOR has it at a very good price. I'm gonna install it right now. 2 pieces, I would assume. Look at these huge zip ties. So it took me a little bit of time to put it together. It's basically 2 parts. You sandwich them together. At the sandwich part, I had forgotten to put this spacer loop in between there, so I had to take it apart again. And then when I bolted these 2 together, I forgot to put the plate on. The plate has to go on first, then you put the bolts through. It's a nice decorative plate to hide the screws, see? Anyway, I had to take it apart like twice. Anyway, now I got it all on here. It was very well packed. I know they don't want you to scratch it during shipping, but honestly, using my knife and my scissors to try to get this stuff off, I scratched it by using the tools to take the insulation off to prevent the scratching. So it's very well packed for shipping, almost too well. All right. Now I'm gonna bring this to the truck by myself and see if I can lift it on top of the crossbars. Okay, so the front part is the part with the air deflector on it. The one that says VEVOR. Tough tools, half price. I think I'll leave it up there because I have so many VEVOR tools and products that I like them. I'll advertise for you. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, maybe it's too far apart. I might have to close in my I might have to close it in more like that. Okay, I centered it, and now it should be perfect. So there's a clamping system here. Crossbar goes in between there, and this top plate over here, 2 of those rods go in between there. So those are the 2. I'm going to mount them, the 2 that are the most rear and most further that you can put it in. So there you go, guys. It took some doing, but it's on there now. I don't know if it's on there perfectly, but I don't think it'll go anywhere. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. I always thought these things look good on pickups, you know? Perfectly centered where the star is. I put it closer to the rear. Why? Because that way you can get on your bed and you can load it easy that way. And as you can see, the curvature of the windshield matches with the wind deflector angle. See that? Aerodynamics. So how about it, guys? Another great product from VEVOR. As you guys know, I also have a train horn, a 13,000-pound winch, bunch of tools and stuff, all from VEVOR. Go check it out. Some absolutely great products available, tens and thousands of them. Guarantee you go to VEVOR.com, you're gonna spend about an hour there. Oh, I need that. Ooh, I need that. Oh, I totally need that. How much? Oh my God. Very, very reasonable prices, very inexpensive, and the selection, I can't even tell you about the selection. I'm gonna be getting some more things for the truck from VEVOR. You know, it looks bigger online. I thought it would be covering the whole roof, but this is the biggest one they made. It holds up to 200 pounds, and even with these universal racks, this ain't going anywhere. It's on there. The stability of all four corners being on the rails, compacted together with that force, it's not gonna go anywhere. At least I hope it doesn't. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on my VEVOR 200-pound capacity cargo roof rack basket. Looks great on Sketchy. If you guys are interested, go check the link in the description. And I'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Next time on Mowers.